Welcome to Shield, your new inbox assistant built on a zero-trust approach to email. Think of it like an exclusive guest list. Only the people you invite get in. Shield blocks the bad, clears the noise, and puts you in control. Here's what to expect in your first week. First, meet your heads-up display, a color-coded security summary at the top of every email. Green means safe, like messages from coworkers or known contacts. Other colors mean caution. Shield flags risk so you don't have to guess. When someone new emails you for the first time, Shield puts you in control. Safe messages from new senders go to your inbox. If you use Focused Inbox, they'll appear in your Other tab. Either way, look for the new sender banner to decide what to do. Want to keep hearing from someone? Easy. Click Trust and Confirm in the Shield app. Want to keep a sender out of your inbox? Click Silence and choose where their emails should go. If you select Jail, Shield will block that sender entirely, so you never have to hear from them again. You can train Shield with drag and drop too. To trust a sender, move the message from Other to Focused. To silence them, move it to Junk. Shield will remember your choice. And just like that, you've just trained Shield on what matters to you. Shield learns from what email you open, move, or ignore. That's why it's important to check your junk folder this week. Some wanted messages may end up there while Shield learns your preferences. Here's one, a message from a new sender that was sent in bulk. Shield flagged it as low risk and placed it in junk. If you want it, drag it to your inbox. If you don't, delete it from junk. That tells Shield to route future messages to Jail. Keep this up for the next few days and Shield will get smarter about what belongs in your inbox. Here's a different kind of message. This one shows a moderate risk banner, warning about a suspicious attachment. That's your cue to pause because that file might be dangerous. But clicking the banner is totally safe. It opens X-Ray, Shield's protected preview space. First, you'll see an image of the email. Nothing is clickable, so there's no risk of accidentally opening anything dangerous. Scroll down to see the insights Shield found in the message. If you want more detail, just click a tile for a simple explanation. Back up top, there are extra tabs, mostly for the tech folks. But if you're feeling brave, go ahead and explore. Looking for a missing message? Try Spotlight. It's the fastest way to find any email anywhere. From X-Ray, click the Shield logo to open your home screen, scroll down, and select Spotlight. You'll see popular searches ready to go. Let's try one called Trusted in Jail. Here are messages from trusted contacts. But Shield flagged something risky and held them outside the mailbox in jail. Click a message to preview it safely in X-Ray. Think a message is safe? Click Veto to send your admin a request for review. If it's good to go, the message gets delivered. If not, you'll get a note back explaining why. Everything you've done so far helps Shield work smarter for you. By the end of the week, it will feel like second nature. It's your inbox, just smarter, cleaner, and working the way you want.